Welcome to Hamadaya. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to walk you through how everything works here, step by step. You're more than welcome to buy sake by the bottle, but if you'd like to try a variety of different labels, I recommend ordering by the glass. We have two glass sizes, 180 milliliters and 90 milliliters. Just pick out a bottle you like from the cooler or the counter and pour it yourself. Each bottle has a price tag for a single glass, so just let our staff know the price when you're ready to pay. We've got bottled beers for a quick and easy drink, but we also have draft beer on tap. You can just grab a bottle and go, but if you'd like a draft beer, just let us know and we'll pour one fresh for you right here. You're more than welcome to order wine by the bottle, but if you're looking to try a variety of different labels, a little at a time, I'd recommend ordering by the glass. We have a great selection available by the glass, with 4 reds, 4 whites, and a sparkling wine to choose from. Our staff will pour it for you, so please feel free to let us know whenever you're ready. Quick and easy snacks like canned goods or bagged treats are always a go-to, but homemade appetizers are a huge hit too. You can find our homemade snacks on the top shelf of the sake display. Once you find something you like, just head to the register for a quick checkout, and you're all set to enjoy it right away with your drink. Restroom information. You'll find the restrooms just to the right after you enter from the south side of the counter. For our male guests, if you use the toilet with the seat up, it will flush automatically once you step away. Please don't lower the seat before it flushes. If you do, the toilet will switch to a mode that only flushes when someone sits down, and the auto flush won't work. So please just leave the seat as it is and step away when you're finished. We appreciate your cooperation. Also, once you're finished with your meal, if you could bring your dishes to the return shelf next to the refrigerated display, that would be a big help. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy.